Today I'm going to show you diamond painting. This is one of my complete diamond paintings. This is a full diamond painting with round gems. This is another one that I have completed. It's a partial, also completed with round gems. Diamond paintings all come with a color code and key with written instructions at the bottom, and then the item code and the size of the canvas, and then another color code key on the top left corner. This is the packaging they come in. From where I have been ordering them, they come packaged like this. It's a complete kit with the canvas, the tray and the pen, and the gum and the little gems are included. I'm going to show you a complete set. Canvas that's rolled. There are the little gems and the tray with the tool you use to stick the gems down and the gum you use to pick up the gems. These are all the little gems that are pre-packaged, coded. The numbers on the packages will correspond with the color code on the canvas. So the one side is the code and the other side is the symbol that will be on the canvas. I'm going to show you the sevens. The code is a 7 and the symbol is, in this case, also a 7. Which will look like this in the packaging, which is a 7, and the 7s are black. And that's just the little codes that they've put on the packaging for, obviously for their reference, the factory's reference. Okay, that's what the 7s will look like on the canvas, corresponding with the key, the color key pad, the code on the side. There's more 7s, and there are some more 7s. And there's some other ones in the middle there. 8s, the code and the color symbol happens to be the same again. And the 8 is a dark brown. Which will go under in that corner there, some 8s. Then there will be a few more 8s. The top left corner. Okay. All canvases come with that double-sided tape already adhered to the canvas. So all you have to do is just stick the gems down and they are all protected by a film layer. These are the gems you would be sticking down to the canvas. And you will use the tool provided to place all the gems on your canvas. Okay, I've completed one, well, half completed one. I'm going to show you how to stick your pieces down. That's what it looks like when it's finished. You can see it, I give you a little picture in the corner. There's my keypad with all the symbols and the codes. I've already started setting out my colors because I've already started this painting. This is how I've set mine out. Comes in little packs of rows of 4 little containers, and I use the key to number my little boxes so it corresponds with the color key on my canvas. There's the gum which you use to pick up the gems. There's a tool, and here's my tray. It's got a nice pouring funnel at the end. I started with this one, but I'm going to turn it around and show you, just give you an example, starting at the back. I just pull the plastic back a bit so that I don't expose the whole underside, sticky underside. Otherwise dust and hair and particles will stick to it, and then my gems won't stick. Okay, my tray. I'm going to show you how I'm going to stick down 1 or 2 gems. I'm going to do a number 4, which on the color key chart, or whatever you want, whatever you call this, a 4 is a 4. So there's the 4. It's black. See better like this. This is the gum that helps you pick up the gems. You need to use it, otherwise you won't be able to pick up the gems with the tool. Just going to decant some into my tray. The gems all have to be facing upright. The ones that are lying on their backs, you can't stick those down. You need to stick them down when the round side is facing upright, because the flat side must stick to the canvas. Just give it a bit of a shake to turn them around. Okay, there's a few that's turned. Round side up. I'm going to put some gum on the end of my tool. Just push it into the gum. And I don't know, you can see clearly, it's inside the tip of the pen, or the drill. Some people call it a drill. I'm going to pick up one of the gems and show you. You need to pick the round side of the gem up, not the bottom side, the flat side. Fits nicely into the tip of the pen. And then you peel back the clear adhesive and you apply the gem to the sticky underside on top of the space allocated. You can move it a bit if you need to. Pick up another one and put it down beside this one that we previously done. Just pressed again just to make sure that they're stuck down firmly, and then I pressed again. And it will look like this once it's finished. Wonderful 3D effect. There's a 7 and a 6, the lighter colors. Now the 4 is a bit hard to see, so there's a 7 and the 2 6s, the lighter colors. Just want to show you that they're not all hard to see. There's a 6 and a 7. The color of the gem, one is a bright orange and the other one is almost like a mustard. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this.